Welcome to AZ Solutions. I will be showing you how to auto-calculate tables using PowerPoint. First, I will show you how to insert a table. If you go to the Home tab, New Slide, you can use Title and Content, which will give you the item objects here of a table. If you click Insert Table, you can choose how many columns or rows you would like, and then you simply can start typing. What you will find at the top is it says Table Design and Layout. When you click away from the table, it will not display that. Click inside the table and you can see the ribbon for the table options. Click on Layout and you will see the ribbon for the layout options. Let's take a look at copying and pasting. This time copying and pasting a graph into PowerPoint. Let's say in Excel I already have a graph. I can select it, Control C to copy, come back into PowerPoint. Usually we want to do a Control V to paste. We're going to right mouse click so that we have the option to paste in the destination, noticing that when we paste this way, it will match the theme that we have in PowerPoint. You can choose to leave the coloring as it is in Excel. You can also choose to link the file, meaning if it changes in Excel, it will update and change here. You can also choose to bring it in as a picture. If you do choose to bring it in as a picture, be aware you will not be able to animate each of the series individually as it is now a whole picture. You can choose to create a table. Instead of insert and table and choosing the columns and rows, you can choose to draw your own table. Click on the top and then drag diagonally to draw the outer edge of your table. You will need to ensure that the draw table icon is still on. Don't touch the sides, move away from the edge and then click and drag across. You'll notice when you get not even halfway across, it will continue to do the line for you. This is great instead of having to merge cells all the time. If at any time you make a mistake, you can use the eraser to actually remove a line. Now those methods are all well and good, but not when you need to create a table where you need to do some calculations. So for this one you want to use Excel spreadsheets. This feature, by the way, is also available in Microsoft Word in the exact same place. Insert Table, Excel Spreadsheet. From here, we'll just stretch it out a little bit so that we've got an area to work. Double clicking will get you inside the actual table. You'll notice when you do this, you will have the bar up the top, which is green, telling you that you're actually in Excel. If you click on formulas, you will see all of the Excel functionalities. Let's create a little bit of information. I'll type in some quantities, just some random numbers we'll do here for this example. And what I'll be doing here is a multiply formula, just like you would when you're in Excel, because I'm actually in Excel. Once I click outside of this table area, I will now be back in PowerPoint. Noticing if I grab the corner and if I'm trying to remove this grid area here, that is not what this will do. This is simply enlarging the item. If I want to get rid of this area or not display this gridded area here, you'll need to double click again so that you're in Excel. Reduce the size and click away again. Now you can enlarge it. If any information changes, you can double click, get into Excel, update and change the values, and you will see the total update for you because you are in fact in Excel. This is much easier than creating an Excel spreadsheet just for this purpose and then selecting it, copying it, pasting it, and bringing it into here. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions, and remember to subscribe.